social activists and caregivers of the earth. I know you have been working hard these past couple months. So I just want to tune in and make sure that you are taking care of yourself just like you're taking care of everyone else. So, as usual, I want to talk about fruits and vegetables and what good stuff they're doing for our body. And today, I want to focus on a pear. Do you ever think about what you're buying when you buy a pear? I bet you, just like me, in the grocery store are like, pears are on sale, I'll get those instead of apples this time, or you'll just get a bunch and then some of them are rot and you'll eat some others. But pears are really something magical. So I looked it up because I wanted to know. I occasionally buy them. I'm not really intentional with them. So I'm going to be intentional from this point forward because this is magic. This is good for you people. So I looked it up. Healthline.com gave a lot of good information. So if you want to research and see what I'm talking about in more detail, you can definitely go there, or just Google it and see and research on your own different things. So I usually throw this in with cucumber in my smoothie, celery, lemon, spinach, and then mint if I have it, because that adds like a nice little kick. Or you can add ginger if you want. So that's how I usually have it, or else I chop it up and I put it in my salads, or I just wash it with the vinegar wash, of course, and I put a paper towel around it, and then I carry it in my purse so that when I'm hungry later on in the day, I have something to snack on, because this is a filler, people. If you are trying to, eat healthier or lose weight or anything, this is a good thing to carry around with you to keep you feeling full, so that you don't reach for junk or anything else during the day, like I occasionally do. So I looked it up again. Let's see. And the vitamins are K, C, and A. So that's what this has. The minerals, potassium, copper, folate, and niacin. So I looked up vitamin A because I was really interested in what that does for our body. I don't know. So that actually supports skin health and heals wounds. So that helps us heal from the inside out, which is what we want to do. Of course, treat the wound, but we want to help inside and outside in the cells and what they're supposed to do to help heal our entire body. So this is a good thing, people. If you are out in the sun, or if you have any scrapes or bruises or anything, eat a pear, help your body repair itself. It is also a good source of soluble and insoluble fiber. So it helps us keep a healthy gut, which is important for digestion and our body just functioning the way it needs to function. So eat a pear. It also helps with bowel regularity by softening and bulking up stool. Don't like talking about that, but we need to, people. It's important. We got to pay attention to what's coming out of our body to make sure that we're putting the proper things into our body. So it goes in, does its work and magic, then comes out. But you got to pay attention. Is it coming out correctly? What's happening there? So this is good because it bulks it up and softens it. So if you're having problems with your stool, this is a good solution for that. You also want to eat it with the skin because it has the most fiber. So eat the whole thing. And then when I juice, I throw it in with the little thing here, the stem, and the seeds. So I throw the whole thing in. I cut it in fourths, and then I throw it in my blender. And then, did you know this? I didn't know that the skin color has different vitamins and magic powers. So red improves heart health and strengthens blood vessels. So I should have been eating this a lot when I was going through chemo because my veins were going through a lot. I could have definitely supported it then, but now I know. So the green, so this is green, keeps your vision sharp. All of us that are aging people, keep eating pears so that we can keep seeing and see our beautiful grandchildren and everything that life has to offer. We want to keep that strong. It also helps fight inflammation, has anti-cancer properties, and lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. So sounds like we all need this. You can eat it whole, you can use it in salads, just like I mentioned before, or your smoothies. And again, the recipe that I like with pears, I like to alternate either with apples or pears. But now that I know that it has totally different nutrients from an apple, I'm gonna be intentional with what I'm putting in my body, which I hope you do, or hope you are. So again, the thing that I like is celery, spinach, cucumber, pear is the star fruit for today, and lemon and mint. So that's all. Enjoy, people. This is a great thing to have. Don't pass it up. Again, try and get organic so you don't have all the pesticides and yucky stuff on it. And eat it daily. There's a lot of research out there that you can Google or ask Alexa or Siri, whoever, about the different studies that have been done on pears, because they have done a lot of studies to show how it improves our health. So be curious, look it up, and let me know what you know, because again, we are learning together, people. Have a good day.